Creating an e-commerce website on Blogger is a cost-effective way to sell products online, although it requires some customization. Here's how you can set it up. Set up your Blogger blog. Sign in to Blogger and create a new blog if you don't have one yet. Choose a simple and clean theme that will be suitable for e-commerce. Many themes are available for free, or you can purchase a custom theme. Create product pages. Use the Pages section in Blogger to create pages for each product category or individual products. Add details like product descriptions, images, and prices. You can create custom HTML code for each product page or use an image carousel to showcase items. Add payment methods. Since Blogger doesn't have built-in payment integration, use external services like PayPal or Stripe. Create a PayPal Buy Now button for each product, then embed the code into your product pages or posts. Set up a shopping cart. While Blogger doesn't support a built-in shopping cart, you can use third-party shopping cart services that integrate with Blogger through HTML code or widgets. Add a contact page. Create a contact us page for customer inquiries and provide your email or contact form. Optimize for SEO. Use SEO-friendly techniques such as writing detailed product descriptions, using appropriate keywords, and linking product pages for better visibility.